Good morning, Simon and Rosie. Yes, well, the boy that can't be named for legal reasons was approaching his 13th birthday. He decided that he wanted the COVID vaccine as well as the flu vaccine. Like you've mentioned, he's currently under the care of social services run by the local council. His father agreed that he could have these vaccinations, but his mother objected. She felt that there wasn't yet enough science behind the COVID vaccine and not enough compelling evidence that it was safe and effective. And she also had questions around the flu vaccine as well. So that's why the case ended up in the court here behind me. It was Mr. Justice Poole, the judge that looked into this. He said that Court of Appeal judges had previously ruled that a council with a care order could arrange for a child in their care to be vaccinated if it was satisfied that the vaccination was in the best interests of the child, notwithstanding parental objections. But this case in principle had not yet been tested for COVID or flu vaccinations. So that's when he looked to the UK Health Security Agency guidance.
And what does the guidance say? And then, Anne, if you could just bring us up to speed, what did the judge determine about the law in this specific case?
So the UK Health Security Agency guidance said the UK's chief medical officers had agreed that the COVID vaccination would provide young people with good protection against severe illness. It says that vaccinating 12 to 15-year-olds will stop the spread or reduce the spread of COVID in schools, enabling children to have their educational needs met. And they also said that flu vaccinations were important for children to protect them as well and stop spreading the flu. So the judge looked into this agency guidance and he said he was quite satisfied that the law allowed the local authority to consent to these vaccinations on behalf of the boy, despite his mother not wanting the vaccination. And he also went further than that, and he said that he would have concluded that it was still in the boy's best interest to have both the vaccinations had he not decided that council bosses could make the decision on the boy's behalf. And there has been a lot of controversy surrounding the vaccination of children, that age bracket between 12 to 15-year-olds. There was talk that the children could just consent on their own. It was determined that parents needed to be involved. This case may change things now with this judge's ruling, though.